Hello traders, welcome, and in today's video we are going to be discussing a powerful moving average strategy with 85% win rate based on backtest result. Okay, so let's dive into it. So this is what we are going to be covering in this video. We are going to be talking about the time frame you are going to be using to take the trade and indicator settings, and how you take your buy and sell trade, and the confirmation and your risk management with a trade example, with a live trade example. Okay, so firstly you need the best broker to be using this strategy, and if you want to get the best broker, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So if that settings you need for the strategy, okay, if you are talking about settings for the strategy, go to trading view, then go to your chart. Okay, so you can just use any chart you are seeing here. So when you go to the chart, so I've already add the indicator up, so I'm going to show you guys how you can add yours. So you have to click on this three dots right here. So when you click on this dot right here, it's going to show you scroll down and search for where the indicator is. Okay, so if you search where the indicator is, then the next thing you do is to add up your indicator. Okay, so that is how you add your indicator. Okay, so this is where the indicator is. So you search for your moving average. Okay, so search for moving average. So when you search for moving average, then it's going to be this moving average right here, the moving average exponential. So you click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, then the indicator settings, you are going to first indicator, which is going to be the red one right here. I'm going to show you guys settings for the indicator now. Okay, so this is the input. Okay, so make sure you set it up. The length is going to be 70, so the source is going to be closed. Then use any color of your choice. Okay, so you click on the style to choose any color of your choice and click on save. So the second moving average is going to be the length for the second moving average is going to be so let me look at the second moving average right here. So the second moving average is the length. So the input is going to be 20 and use any color of your choice. Okay, so that is the settings for the moving average. Okay, so now let me show you guys a trade here on let me show you guys a trade example here on how you guys are going to use the strategy. Okay, so this is a buy trade right here. Okay, so if you want to take a buy setup here on the strategy, okay, so before I forget, the time frame we are going to be trading with this strategy is the 5 minutes or 3-minute time frame. That is the time frame we are going to focus on. You do now take a trade. The first thing you want to confirm is you want to see a cross to happen between the moving average. Okay, so what we are looking for is the blue moving average to cross above the red one. So this shows us that the price is going to go for a buy. Okay, so this is the chart right here. Okay, so let's say we want to take a trade right here. So where do we not take our trade? Now we are looking for a trade. Now we are looking for a trade right here. Okay, so this is where we are looking for a trade. We want to see where there is a touch at the blue line or the red moving average. So this is where it touches right here. This one does not touch. So this is where it touches right here. So after this candle touch, you can see it should touch a little bit, then go back to the moving average again. So when the candle come and touch the moving average, we are looking for a comfy candle, which is this candle right here. So let's move zoom so you guys can see the candle right here. So this is the candle that was able to create what we are looking for. Okay, so sorry, so this is a candle that was create what we are looking for. So this is the candle right here. So this candle right here is one that creates what we are looking for, which is the engulfing candle. It engulf this black moving average, which is the selling candle. It can engulf it. After it's engulf it, that we are looking for a candle that was able to close above the last candle. This is the last candle. This candle close above it, not the wick but the candle. So after this candle close, there we now look to take our buy setup. Okay, so we set our stop loss below the engulfing candle and we target 1 or you cannot target the high right here. You can target this high or you can target just close a trade at 1 to 2 RR. Okay, so that's how we take a trade using this exact strategy. Okay, so let me show you guys a sell trade. Okay, so looking at this trade here on GBP USD, so the first thing we are looking for is a cross, which I always told you guys that we want to see a cross above the moving average. Okay, so we are looking for a cross, which is this cross right here. The moving average has to cross each other, so a cross below the red moving average right here. So after we see the crosses, we are now going to wait for a candle to come and touch the blue line, which happens right here. So after it come and touch the blue line, then the next thing we do is to wait for a cover candle, which is this candle right here. This candle right here, and go off this last candle right here. It engulf it. So after we see that this candle engulf it, then we wait for the candle to close. So wait for the candle to close and we take our short trade right after the candle close. So this right here. So we take our stop loss above the candle and then we target 1 to 2 RR. Simple as that. We always aim for our 1 to 2, nothing more than 1 to 2. So looking at this trade right here, this give us 1 to 2 exactly as we are looking for it. Okay, so let me delete this up so we can see where we are going to enter for our trades. So simple trade, just simple trade right here. So we are looking to trade where the candle close and set a stop loss above it, then target 1 to 2 RR. Okay, so this 1 to 2 right here. So that is how we take a trade based on this strategy. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. Find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime I post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.